Today, we installed a 4x4 tree limb prop support system for this saucer magnolia tree in Columbus, Ohio. This magnolia was a good candidate for the prop support system due to the tree owner wanting to preserve the aesthetic of the low scaffold limb over the walkway, and wood decay was observed at the base of the tree. Firstly, we determined the placement of the 4x4 prop on the limb being supported. Then we hung a plumb bob from that point on the limb and marked that point on the ground. We excavated a hole for the concrete deck block that will support the 4x4 prop, and then placed pea gravel to assist in leveling and supporting the block. After some fine adjustments to make sure everything was level, we measured the height we needed for the prop and did some test fitting to double check. Next, we arborically cut our prop to length. To reduce moisture exposure to the 4x4 prop's end grain, we attached a cap and added some sealant to fill in the gaps before installing the rod into the prop. Even though no one is ever going to look at this.
That's craftsmanship.
That's right, Mark Rashi would be real proud. Then we placed our prop into the base and tested for fit. Mike helped keep the prop level and plumb while I tightened the rod until it made secure contact with the scaffold limb of the magnolia tree. Afterwards, we double checked our work and we were satisfied with it.
Yep, she's good. Ain't going nowhere.
We put more sealant around the hardware at the top to further reduce moisture exposure, and then lastly, we backfilled the top couple of inches of the surface with soil to hide the base and gravel. And that's it, 4x4 prop installed. This 4x4 prop should be able to last around 6 to 8 years before it may experience some decay and need replacement. This prop will be able to provide ample support to this low scaffold limb on this beautiful saucer magnolia tree.